Hey folks, today is April the 6th. It's currently 9:24 in the morning. Today is FOMC day, so I do expect the markets to be a little, excuse me, a little crazy today. So I'm going to try and get in and get out as quickly as possible here. All right, GBP USD. And before I forget, we also have another update on the Intelligent Trade Finder, and the update is that it is currently available. For those that already have the system, once you go to the ITF link, let me go back here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, you can see here Trade Assistant, Intelligent Trade Finder. Click on Access Trade Assistant, and that's going to take you to this page. So I will be going over this a little bit later. First, I want to go ahead and look at taking a trade here. Let's see what else is available. All right, we're above zero, all twos, green arrow. This is already into its move here, so I'm not going to look at taking this one. Wow, look at this move. About 30 pips. Obviously, there's not really an opportunity for us to jump in on that one. Same situation here. We're having nice big moves here, but we won't be able to jump in on any of them that I can see yet. All right, this right here has potential if we can break this level. I want to see it close beneath this level right here. Let me go ahead and put a line down there. All right, so if we close beneath that level, I can look at taking this trade. All right, fingers crossed the GBP Japanese yen has a nice setup waiting for us. And about the same as GBP AUD. We might get a little bit of a pullback here, and then we'll be able to take a long on this one. Ideally, I'd like to get in once this white line crosses the purple. Get in early on the move if possible. And then our first level of resistance would be right here. And our stop would be around right there. 20, we'll say about 30 pips. And then we go for about 30 pips in a profit target since we use 1-to-1. Really need to see a pullback on these large moves here before I jump in. Looks like we might get a bounce at this level here. All right, folks, I'm going to pause it, and I'll come back once we get a clear signal that we can enter. Hey, folks, I just wanted to give you another quick update here. As you can see, we had this pretty big 30 pip bar here right at this level of support. Popped right up there. Same thing happened on the GBP AUD. I checked Forex Factory to see if we had any news, and of course we didn't at 9:30, but something caused it to pop up there. Like I said, I don't typically like trading Forex on FOMC day because we get a lot of, spiky action. So I'm still considering just watching today and maybe starting up again tomorrow. We'll wait and see what type of signals we get and if I feel comfortable taking them. All right, be back with you guys momentarily. All right, folks, just a quick update here. We're in the GBP USD. As you can see here, all greens, all twos. We just ticked above the zero line. Green bar, skinny red bar. We got the green arrow here. The blue line just crossed over the yellow line again. And the white line is above the purple line. Hopefully on this, once this bar closes, I'm hoping it'll close above this level here, as you can see. And if it does, we'll go ahead and jump in for a buy trade. Next potential level of resistance should be about right here. And we'll place our stop right around this level. All right, we have about 2 minutes to go till this bar ends, so I'll be back shortly. All right, folks, we have about 2 seconds to go. I also happen to notice this potential setup here on the USD Japanese yen. All right, so here we definitely can take this long. Hold on one moment, folks. All right, sorry about that. I had to clear my throat. I might need to get some water here, but let's look at taking a long on the GBP USD. All right, new order. I'm going to take a buy. All right, and we'll go ahead and move our stop down to here, profit target up to here. And of course, I most likely will adjust this once we get into profit. But this is trade number 17, and we'll see how it works out for us. And again, the reason I took this trade is because we have all green, all twos. We're above the zero line, big green bar, skinny red bar. As you guys can see, the blue line crossed over the yellow right here. Also, the white line is above purple, and we have this arrow here as well. So that was my reasoning for taking this trade. And just from what I can see on the chart, we could have a potential level of resistance right here. So I figure that's a good place to have our profit target. We'll wait and see what happens with it. All right, I don't really see anything else setting up. So it looks like we took really the only potential trade setup other than this one here. But we're right at this level of support. And before I took this trade, I would have had to see it close beneath that level. So I think we're good where we're at. All the indicators telling us that the market should continue pushing up. Once we get up to about, I'd say this level here, I'll look at adjusting my stop, maybe cutting it in half to remove some of this risk. And again, I'll repeat it. This is FOMC day. Let me pull this up for you. All right. 10:30, we have crude oil inventories, 12:20, FOMC, FOMC, FOMC. So as you guys can see, there's quite a bit of news coming out here. All right, we're at 8 minutes already. So let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back once we get close to something, or once the market starts pushing in one direction or the other. Folks, I had to show you this here. Had to show you this. Look at what happened on this USD Japanese yen trade. If we would have took this trade, the market would have went up about 5 pips, and then it would have dropped about 20 pips. Our stop would have been right here at about 10, and we would have had a huge winner here relatively quickly. This would have been just a beautiful trade. But still in the GBP USD trade. Obviously, we can't see the future, so there's no way of knowing that we were going to get this huge bar on the USD Japanese yen. But it was able to break through that level and gave us this nice big move here. Anyway, just wanted to show that to you guys. So for the people that do have the system already, I'm really hoping some of you were able to catch this move here, because that was a beautiful setup. All right, I'll come back once we get pushed into one direction or the other. All right, guys, just another quick update. This is a pretty heavy push down, as you guys can see, about 15 pips. And it seems pretty determined. We're getting pretty close to our stop here. About 10 pips away. So if we're taking out, this will be our third loss out of 17 trades. 16 or 17. I'll have to double check on the site here. All right, so yeah, this will be trade number 17. And again, this is why I don't typically like trading on FOMC day. The market tends to have a lot of these wiki bars, as you can see, large wicks. And very indecisive. Wow, look at that bar. This is what I'm talking about, folks. This is why it's dangerous to trade on FOMC day, or really around any big news. So it might be good, or it might have been a better idea for me to just, skip today and just let it go. But being who I am, want to get some content for you guys, so we're in the market. We'll just be patient. Hopefully we won't get whipsawed out. Because this could turn around at any moment. Could shoot down, could shoot up. Very dangerous stuff here. All right, let me go ahead and pause it. I already have my markers in here. As you can see, a red line there, red line there. So if the market shoots down or shoots up, we'll know where our stop and take profit were, and I'll be able to show you guys. All right, I'll go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back momentarily. All right, folks, it's now 11 o'clock, and we're still right around break even. Market's gone against us a little bit, gone for us a little bit. I definitely want to be out of the market by 11:30. So that's my goal here. So that means we have 30 minutes to get a profit target hit or get our stop hit. And by a profit target, I mean if we get a nice move up, I'll definitely go ahead and reduce my risk by about half. This little push down gave us a nice area where we can place our stop. So we'll use about a 15 pip stop and then a 15 pip take profit. And we'll just go from there. Again, today is a dangerous day for trading, so we're going to see what we can get and hopefully get out without getting hurt. Folks, this is just another quick update. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up here and take profit to there. We're still right around 1-to-1 risk to reward. Actually, our risk is 13 pips and our reward is 15. So we're a little off, but I'm not going to worry about that. Actually, just in the interest of time, because I definitely want to go ahead and get out of this trade as soon as possible. I'm going to go ahead and move it down a couple pips. Hopefully that'll be enough for us to get a quick spike up to take us out. It's already 11:07, so let's go ahead and get out of this trade. Because I expect coming up pretty shortly, we're going to start seeing a lot of spiky action. And I do not want to be in the market when that starts happening. I'm looking over here. I don't really see any resistance right here. Let me see. All right, so the market did come to this level. It pushed through it and kind of bounced off of it here, I suppose, and then broke through it. Oftentimes when the market uses a level as a support, it'll also use that level as resistance and vice versa. So it is possible that that's why we're having some trouble here. But we'll be patient and just see what happens. As you can see, we still are all green, still have all twos, still above zero, still got the green bar, skinny red bar. Blue line is above the yellow line now. Crossed under here. Actually, it looks like crossed under by just a touch right there. All right, let's see how close we came. Came within about 2 pips of being taken out. If we cross back below our break-even level, I'll go ahead and move this back to where it was. All right. I would definitely want to give it some room to move around. All right, so we have our goal here. Obviously, if we get back up to this level, 13 is going to be my profit target. 13 is going to be my stop. And hopefully we'll be able to jump out, because you guys can see we get a big bar up, big bar down, big bar up, big bar down. I don't want to be in this market any longer than I have to. All right, guys, just another little update here. We're back above break even. So I put my 13 pip take profit and 13 pip stop back on. And again, I'm going to keep doing this until the market decides to get up there to our profit target. If it pushes back beneath it, I'm going to widen my stop again. And the reason I'm going to do that is because if we do get a whippy bar that just pushes down, I want to have room to absorb that. As you can see, like this bar gave us a nice big push down, and if I would have had my stop right here, it would have taken us out. So we don't want to be in that situation. So right now we're just waiting on the market to push up past this level here. And if it does break this level, odds are it's going to continue to push. But we don't have a second order run, so that's not really a benefit to me right now. We're just hoping to get this trade out. It's 11:13 right now. I really feel that the market wants to push higher. It's just having a lot of troubles at this level. We are exactly 1-to-1 right now. If the market continues to bounce off this level, I might use 10 as my take profit. Wouldn't typically do that, but being that today is what it is, I really just want to get out in the next 10 or 15 minutes here. So if we get another push down, I'll just use 10, but hopefully that won't happen. Guys, we are less than a pip away from being taken out or from hitting our profit target. There it is. Beautiful. Finally got through it. So this was a bit of a dangerous trade due to the news that's coming out today. It does tend to give us a lot of random spiky bars. But as you guys saw, the trade actually worked out quite nicely. Let's see here. I'm trying to remember which bar I actually entered on. I'm not sure which bar it was, but anyway, you guys can definitely go back, watch the beginning of this video to see which one it was. I'm not sure if it really went against us too much. I think this bar was the only bar that really went against us at all. Everything else we were pretty much in profit. This bar went up, got us back into profit, I believe. So yeah, we must have got in on this bar. All right, so that's going to be it for today. This is trade number 17, and we only have 2 losses, folks. That's pretty impressive. Doesn't matter how you look at it. I'm currently going through the Intelligent Trade Finder information right now. I've just finished watching all the videos, and hopefully I'll be able to go through the manual next and then download everything so that I can introduce you guys to that tomorrow. So today, pretty small trade, 13 pips for a stop, 13 pips for the take profit. Basically just so we could get out of the trade due to what today is. I've also talked to other people that have mentioned lot sizes and wanting me to trade larger lot sizes, because right now I'm only trading, I believe, 0.05. Let me double check that. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm only trading 0.05 right now. This is just a test, folks. This is a sim account, so it shouldn't really matter what size lots I'm trading. If you have a larger account, you can trade one full contract. To me, what's most important is the pips. Okay, if I made 13 pips here, you can scale that up or scale that down to whatever contract sizes that you're going to be trading or that you are trading. Anyway, just wanted to add that little bit in, and hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to introduce you guys to the Intelligent Trade Finder. Take care, folks.